In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Opera browser on your MacBook step by step. Opera is a fast, secure, and feature-rich web browser that includes useful tools like a built-in ad blocker, free VPN, and powerful customization options. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your Mac. You can use Safari, Google Chrome, or any browser you already have installed. Next, go to the search bar and type Opera, then press Enter. From the search results, make sure you click on the official Opera website, which is opera.com. It's always important to download software from the official website to avoid fake or potentially harmful files. Once the website loads, look for the button that says Download Now. Click on that button to begin the download. The Opera installer will now start downloading, and the file will usually appear as a zip file in your Downloads folder. Wait for the download to finish. Now open Finder, then go to your Downloads folder. Locate the Opera Setup zip file you just downloaded. Double-click the zip file to extract it. After the extraction is complete, a new file will appear called Opera Installer. Now double-click the Opera Installer file. If macOS displays a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, simply click Open to continue. A setup window will appear. Click Accept and Install to start the installation. The installation process will take just a few seconds. Once the installation is finished, Opera should launch automatically. If it doesn't open automatically, simply open Finder, go to the Applications folder, and launch Opera from there. And that's it. You have successfully installed Opera on your Mac. You can now sign in to sync your bookmarks and browsing data, import data from another browser, enable the built-in ad blocker, use the free VPN, and customize the browser to fit your preferences. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and easy Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.